Hey guys, welcome to my channel Nikhil Creates. So today another day, another travel story. So today we are heading to Siganduru Chaudeshwari temple. So we will be first going to Sagara, which is the nearest place, because that's where we'll be staying, and from there the temple is about 30 kilometers. So we will try to reach there by 12:31 today, and we'll try to take the darshan today itself. So there will be a ferry ride, which is approximately 15 minutes, and we will try to do the darshan today, and I'll keep giving you updates. Stay tuned. It is 7 a.m. now, and there's a lot of traffic in Bangalore. And today is a very special day. I forgot to mention that. So it's Vijayadashami, and it's a very auspicious day today. I would like to wish all of you a very happy Vijayadashami. Guys, as I always say, please fill in your FASTag. I remind this to everybody all the time, because it avoids a lot of traffic. Because again, we are seeing people, who are paying cash, and it's leading to a lot of traffic jams. So guys, we have taken a short break because it's been constant driving, and we've taken a break for 15 minutes, and we'll be resuming the trip. So guys, we have reached the hotel now, and just show you the room. So right now we are going to Siganduru Chaudeshwari temple, which is a very holy place. So we'll be going by car for 30 kilometers, and from there there's a ferry ride for 15 minutes. So we'll have to cross the river, and then go to the temple and then come back. So today is a very special day, so we are expecting a huge crowd. But let's hope that the crowd is a little less, and we'll be able to finish the darshan pretty quickly. So we'll finish our lunch, and we'll be heading to the temple. We'll have to walk for about 10 minutes. We have parked the vehicle, and we'll be getting into the ferry now. We have boarded the ferry now, so it will take about 15 minutes to travel in this, and we'll be reaching the other side of the island and going to the temple. So this is the crowd. Guys, we have started our journey. So it's a 15-minute ferry ride. It's beautiful. Looks, exquisite. So we have taken a tracks or a jeep from the ferry to the temple. It's 5 kilometers from here. We've taken the jeep all for ourselves because just to maintain COVID protocols. This is amazing. This adventurous experience. We had come to Siganduru Chaudeshwari temple and we are done with the darshan in about 10 minutes. So it's completely crowded. You can see like vehicles are parked in and it's going to take a lot of time. Successfully completed the journey. Hey guys, good morning. So it is day 2 at Sagra. So today we'll be checking out from our hotel and on the way we'll be visiting to a place called Keladi Rameshwara temple. So it is a beautiful place with all sculptures and great architecture. So we'll be visiting that place and then going to Bangalore from there. So let's see how the place is. So we'll be having breakfast before that and then we'll be checking out and we'll be heading outside, towards Bangalore via Keladi Rameshwara temple. So guys, as you saw, yeah, that was the temple and it's with old sculptures and these are old buildings in Sagra. So it's a beautiful place, a peaceful place, and yeah, that was about it.